There are so many viruses and bacteria around us that affect our overall health. However, if you want to maintain your good health and have a better life quality, you should start taking care of yourself from inside out. I want to share with you a very simple but powerful blend that you can easily prepare yourself every morning, and it will boost your system against infections and diseases. A glass of ginger, olive oil and honey every morning. A mixture of ginger and honey is easy to consume and to prepare. It has tons of benefits. This combination of honey and ginger has been used since a long time for treating respiratory problems like cold and cough. Honey has proven to be a very good medium to transmit the various benefits of ginger to the body. Both honey and ginger have their own individual health benefits, like having antioxidant properties and being good for digestion. It gives you energy, reduces stomach aches and detoxifying your organism. Plus, it tastes great. On the other hand, olive oil, known for its rich flavor, versatility, and health benefits, extra virgin olive oil is an excellent ingredient to keep in your kitchen cupboard. Not only is it easy to use for roasting, frying, baking, or sauté, but it's also jam-packed with antioxidants and heart-healthy fats. Plus, it's been studied extensively for its many health benefits, with some research suggesting that it could protect against heart disease, combat cancer, and alleviate inflammation. Now let's start talking about these amazing benefits of this combination. Number 1, it improves the digestive process. Honey, with its antibacterial properties, protects against infections, and it also helps to effectively remove toxins by stimulating the stomach to produce more gastric acid. Number 2, natural home remedy for cough and cold. Honey has been found to thin the mucus buildup that blocks the breathing passage and leads to upper respiratory tract infections. In a similar manner, ginger helps to reduce inflammation of the airway. Therefore, a mix of olive oil combines both honey and ginger provides an effective natural treatment for cough and cold symptoms. Number 3, natural painkiller. The combination of ginger and honey plus the olive oil is known to be a natural painkiller. Even though ginger has an intense flavor, very few know that it is an expectorant, and this helps get rid of pain. This combination is very well known for being used as a treatment for cold, and we all know that a cold is usually followed by a sore throat. Ginger, because of its strong aroma and being an expectorant, opens up your sinuses and helps get rid of the mucus from the respiratory system. Number 4, olive oil and cancer. Studies have shown that people living in Mediterranean countries have a fairly low risk of cancer, which may be partly due to their consumption of anti-inflammatory ingredients, including olive oil. One potential contributor to cancer is oxidative damage due to harmful molecules called free radicals. However, extra virgin olive oil is high in antioxidants that reduce oxidative damage. Number 5, it protects against urinary infections. This beverage is diuretic, and it is an excellent cure for cystitis and constipation, as olive oil and honey encourage the actions of the organs that form part of the digestive tract, as well as the colon. Number 6, benefits the heart. Studies suggest that ginger honey is good for cardiac health. Ginger has also proven to be very useful in preventing blood clots and to reduce cholesterol. This in turn helps to fight heart diseases where the blood vessels become clogged. Number 7, strengthens your immune system. Honey, ginger and olive oil, these 3 ingredients are perfect to battle sickness. They also assist in your body's ability to defend itself. Drinking a cup of ginger, spoon of olive oil and honey tea, or simply having a spoon of honey ginger daily can boost your immune system. Furthermore, both ginger and honey have antioxidant properties, thereby increasing the strength of the body's immune system. Number 8, prevents nausea and morning sickness. Did you know that ginger helps with nausea? It is one of the oldest natural remedies for nausea, especially the kind which is caused during pregnancy. To help ease the morning sickness, you can mix honey and ginger in hot water and drink that beverage. Number 9, it detoxifies the liver. A 2018 study found that extra virgin olive oil provides potent antioxidant protection against toxins that cause oxidative stress, stones and damage to the liver. This mixture with olive oil can help you remove harmful toxins from your liver. What you need and how to prepare this mixture: 200 milliliters of lukewarm or warm water and 2 spoons of ginger powder. Then add 1 tablespoon natural honey, 1 tablespoon olive oil, mix them and just drink.